Gordon was away on the mainland, taking another engine's express to London, so Top and Hat had arrived at the shed.
With Gordon away, I have chosen Emily to take the express today.
I would love to.
But, sir, wouldn't it be better for me to take the express?
No, James, you have to take the slow goods train today.
I don't know why Sir Topham Hatt chose you over me. I've taken the express multiple times before.
He probably chose me because I'm an actual express engine. You is just a mixed traffic engine.
Ugh, well, I can handle the express better than you can. When was the last time you took an express train?
Well, a while.
How long is a while?
Emily was embarrassed and puffed off to the yard without saying another word. Emily was filling up with coal, and then James puffed up beside her.
Hello, Emily. I'm sorry about earlier, but is it true?
What?
Has it been that long since you pulled an express train?
Yes, it has. Why?
It is difficult to take the express. So I wanted to give you some tips on taking the train. You need to know all the stops, keep control at high speed.
Thank you, James. But I know how to take the express.
Oh dear, I'm having a bad feeling about this.
Later, Emily was waiting at Knapford for Percy to shunt the coaches. He was late. He was talking to the yard manager. He told Percy something very important, but Emily was becoming very impatient.
Hurry up, Percy! I have an express to pull!
Percy was cross. He had rushed to shunt the coaches. He forgot what the manager had said.
About time!
The guard blew his whistle, and Emily had puffed away, bumping the coaches. She had to stop at the junction to Thomas's branch line. Toby was puffing across the points.
Hurry up, Toby!
That made Toby cross, and he went slower. When Toby crossed, she started off with a bump. Soon she had arrived at the end of the line.
Ah, right on time. I knew I could do it.
On the way back, things weren't as easy. Emily had to stop it. She was a guaranteed connection with Bertie the bus, but Bertie had a flat tire. Emily had become impatient. She tried counting to 10.
2,
Twice.
3, 9, 10. That's it. I had enough.
Emily had left the station just as Bertie pulled in.
Wait, Emily, wait! I have your passengers! Not again!
But Emily was gone. Later, Emily was running low on water. She saw a water tower, but Thomas was already there.
Move out of the way, Thomas. An express engine needs to get some water.
I was here first. You have to wait your turn.
Express engines don't wait.
But Thomas still didn't move, so Emily puffed crossly away.
Express engines, always thinking they are all that just because they pull the express.
At this rate, I'm going to be late. Then everyone is going to think I'm slow.
Emily started to pick up speed, bumping the coaches and her passengers all around. Soon, Emily arrived at Marin Station. James was there.
I'm here to give you a push
Thank
up the hill.
you, but I don't need help.
The guard blew his whistle, and Emily set off to the hill. Emily was pulling as hard as she could. Then there was trouble.
Oh no! I can't be out of water! What is that? Oh no! The coach! James! I'm so glad to see you!
I had a feeling you needed some help. Now let's get you to the next station.
James pushed Emily up and over the hill. He pushed Emily to Wellsworth when Emily had refilled with water and the
Oh.
coupling on the coach was fixed.
James? Do you have any work today?
My next job is at the harbor. Why?
Would you like to double head the express to Nafford with me? Then we can make up for lost time?
Thank you, Emily. I would like to.
James coupled up to Emily and they set off for the express. Along the way, James gave Emily some tips on how to take the express.
You must be focused and keep a constant speed. If you need to go faster, you must slowly build up speed.
Together they made it to Knapford only 5 minutes late.
I'm sorry for not listening to you, James.
It's fine, Emily.
Then Sir Topham Hatt had stepped out of his office.
I am not happy with your actions today, Emily. You have caused confusion and delay.
I know, sir, and I'm sorry. I will try hard to learn.
Good. You can start that by taking the slow goods while James takes the express.
The next day, Emily took the slow goods train.
How was the slow goods?
It's a great way to learn practice, but I wish I could learn it faster.